Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Secfi offers a suite of financial solutions designed specifically for startup employees navigating the complexities of equity compensation. Their primary focus is on assisting individuals in understanding, managing, and potentially unlocking the value tied up in their stock options. The platform provides a range of services, including educational resources to help employees grasp the nuances of equity, tools for modeling potential future value based on various exit scenarios, and financing options to cover the costs associated with exercising options. Secfi also offers support for handling the often daunting tax implications that come with stock options. They recognize that equity compensation can be confusing, particularly for those new to the startup world, and strive to demystify the process. From providing clear explanations of vesting schedules and exercise windows to offering personalized advice based on individual circumstances, Secfi aims to empower employees to make informed decisions about their equity. Understanding the potential value locked up in stock options is crucial for financial planning, and Secfi's tools and resources can play a significant role in helping employees leverage their equity holdings effectively. They aim to bridge the knowledge gap and provide the necessary support to maximize the benefits of equity compensation. By offering a comprehensive platform, Secfi tackles the various challenges associated with stock options, from understanding their value to securing the funds needed to exercise them and navigating the tax complexities. This empowers employees to make the most of their equity and participate fully in the potential success of their companies. Through education, planning tools, and financial solutions, Secfi equips startup employees with the resources they need to navigate the often complex world of equity compensation.